on YouTube, but on my face though.
Precious and priceless, precious and priceless, precious and priceless.
This is kind of like my at-home facial. I just got done washing my face. I need to moisturize, pluck my eyebrows, and do my maintenance. You're probably paying for the box. The paper is like kind of fancy. A spatula. Oh, this is so pretty. Ooh, this is nice. It's definitely a good amount of product, it seems. To use. Glide the round scoop across the surface until the primer reaches the line marked. Okay, that was a little deep. Oh, honey, you are aggressive. This stuff better be good, because y'all is taking all my coins. Warm between fingertips and press into skin in upward strokes. Use as the last step in skincare before makeup. Oh. You know, this really does do some. Oh, I could feel like it feels a little tacky. And my skin is just like smooth and soft. And oh, this feels so good. Wow. I'm really feeling this. Like, it's tacky. Oh, yeah. Now, we'll see how the makeup applies, but I can feel, like, the barrier. So, something else that I got, but it was from another website, but I'm going to add it in because I'm going to use it. I got 12 Rosé brushes, and it comes with this little pouch, and then all these brushes for a very inexpensive price. So who got the brushes? Who got the brushes? Who got the brushes? I got the brushes. I did a review on the Ben Nye makeup sealer spray because our masks are ruining our makeup. So that's what I'm gonna go in with for my makeup right now. It is not the nicest smell. This stuff is not very popular on YouTube, but on my face though, it is so beautiful. And I guess I really got into makeup in, I guess, 2017, and I should have started a makeup channel, but God has a reason for everything. And I was kicking myself because I was buying so much makeup and I was really keeping up with all the trends. And I don't know if it was my wedding or what reason. I think I was going to an event, a very special event. I think I was going to interview Lisa Ray, and I think Slim Thug was there, and Floyd Mayweather, Tillman Fertitta. It was a really major event. And so I needed my makeup to be flawless on the red carpet, honey. So they recommended this. I've never gone back. It used to be in like an aerosol spray that was super beautiful and just gorgeous. I'm super heavy-handed with it. It gives you like this glow, like the Tatcha Dewy Mist could never. Could never. So that's done. Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty. And I got this in like this set that they have, and it was like a mini version, and I just loved it, and I lost it. I don't know what I did with it. So I bought the full-size version, and I love this whole hexagon vibe that they have. And this is such a beautiful color. I love this gloss. So gorgeous. Love, love, love this gloss. Oh my god, that is a must. I knew I was gonna like that. I've had that before. So I went and did the rest of my makeup off camera. I just added my lashes, my liner. I finished my liner. My battery died, so that's kind of what happened there. I look like this is a glow up. Okay, totally a glow up. Can't tell me nothing. I know I look cute. And that's the kind of confidence that we do in all 2020. No one is going to tell us otherwise. We know we're smart. We know we're capable. We know that we can do anything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this all over the place tutorial. I'm not a makeup guru. I'm not a makeup artist. I just do what I do and I make it work. And it be working out sometimes. So this is just a little human hair wig that I flat ironed yesterday, and I just put it on. I think it frames my face really well. Like I said, I finished my eyeliner, put some Lily lashes on, but this is my look. I just have gold accessories on. Little bracelet, little necklace, little beauty supply store earrings that were probably $1.99 or $2.99, but they're cute for now until they start changing colors. And this is what I look like. I think the color Huahine in NARS is like perfect for my skin color to match my neck and my shoulders. I think so. The lashes that I have are Lily lashes in the style Tokyo. They're really like lightweight, and they're there, but they're not like, oh my gosh, look at her big giant fake lashes. They're very natural. I really like them. I could tell these are like an everyday lash, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing these. The Tatcha Filter Finish Protective Primer, so amazing. I love it. It's worth the $52. I promise you, if it could work for my dry skin, my dry patches are not peeking through, they're not separating, and as soon as I put it on, it's like a feeling to it that this is worth the $52. Now, normally when I use primers, I put them on just because they say you're supposed to wear them and it's supposed to give you a base foundation, but I've never actually seen what they can do. This will show you what primers are supposed to do. It's definitely worth the $52. I promise you, I wouldn't lie. I have no reason to. I bought this stuff with my own money. I have no affiliation to any of these brands. This is my honest opinion. The Tatcha Filter Finish Protective Primer, if you have pores or things in your skin that you don't like, or you just want a nice good base foundation for your foundation, get it. The Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in Fussy, a must, an absolute must. I love, I stan, low key, high key, the best. If you like glosses, click that little bell for the notifications for any new videos. I do fashion, beauty, makeup, Christian lifestyle, and I just want to be a place for people to come and be themselves and know their worth and get beautiful and be beautiful because you are. So if you want to know more about Rich Love Society, make sure that you follow. I'm going to try to stay consistent with my videos, and I'm thinking maybe Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, but we'll see. Probably about 2 p.m. But we'll work all that out, and we will see. I'm going to do my nails now because, honey, this has been, the struggle bus has been on full force this entire pandemic. I have not went to get my nails done, and I think you know why. To each his own, but I just haven't had the. It's not that serious to me. Like if my nails are chipped and cracking and falling apart, you know, I'll live. So no, I don't really have a lot of nails, so it's not much for me to do but just remove my nail polish. So my nails are done. You can't really tell. I mean, they're not the best. I did the best I could with the little bit of time that I had. Okay, so I'm about to go. I think I want a salad from Salata. I want to be a good girl. Nails done, hair done, everything done.